Okay, a blessed day, everyone. It's me again, Mario G. Dueñas Jr., your math teacher, tutor in this math virtual class. Today's topic is about transforming mixed number to improper fraction and vice versa. To begin with, let us have first the definitions of mixed number and improper fraction. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number and a proper fraction combined. Example, 2 and 1 half. This is read as 2 and 1 half. So it's a mixed number since there is a whole number part and a proper fraction part. So it's called a mixed number. How about an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator, or the number above is greater than the number below. Example, 5 over 4. So remember, there are three ways for you to read this number. This could be read as 5/4, or 5 over 4, or 5 divided by 4. So there are three meanings to this number. Okay, let us have this example. Transforming mixed number to its equivalent improper fraction. Let us have number 1, 2 and 1 half. So what is it in improper fraction? First, the procedure is, all you have to do is to multiply your denominator here to your whole number. So you have to multiply. Then, the result, the product of these two must be added to the numerator of this fraction. So you need to add. So again, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And put over and then copy the denominator 2. So the equivalent improper fraction of 2 and 1 half is 5 halves. But in this sense, we need to understand this improper fraction. Remember, math is easier when understood. More than just following procedures, first, it must be understood for you to have it applied. So what is 5 halves and what is 2 and 1 half? Why they are the same? Okay, if we are going to illustrate 2 and 1 half, for example, you have 2 pieces of a paper. 2 pieces of paper. And then you have a half of a paper. So in this, you can illustrate 2 and 1 half. Because this is 2 and this is 1 half. Now, why it became 5 halves? Why it can be transformed to 5 halves? It could be interpreted as 5 halves because if you are going to consider that this piece is 1 half and this one whole has 2 1 half, so 1 half for this and another 1 half for this, and this one whole also have 2 pieces of 1 half. So how many pieces of 1 half do you have? So you have 5 pieces of 1 half. Did you know that if you are going to interpret 5 halves, it will be 5 pieces of 1 half. Just like 1 half, 1 piece of 1 half, 2 halves, 2 pieces of 1 half, and 2 divided by 2 will be 1 because that is 1 whole. And then 3 halves, it means 3 pieces of 1 half. Or if you are going to consider that 3 pieces of 1 half, it's like 1 and 1 half. So could be also written as 1 and 1 half. And then 4 halves, 4 pieces of 1 half could also be 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then you have here the 5 halves. Your 5 halves is 5 pieces of 1 half. Okay? How about the number 2? 3 and 2/5. So how are we going to get the answer again? For mastery, it means 5 times 3, and that is 15, plus 2, 17 over 5. Okay, practice on this. pause the video for a while, answer this, and play the video again to check your work. For you to change improper fraction to its equivalent mixed number, all you have to do is to reverse the procedure that we have from in transforming mixed number to improper fraction. Or in other words, you may just divide 8 by 3 with the typical way of dividing numbers. It's like this, 8 divided by 3. So 8 divided by 3, you have 2 times 3, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. So you have a remainder of 2, and you have a divisor of 3, and you have a quotient of 2. It means you have a quotient of 2 here, then a remainder of 2 that would be your numerator, and your divisor will be 3. So it would be 2 and 2/3. This is the equivalent mixed number of this improper fraction. But is there any other way for us to get this answer without doing the typical division? Yes, there is. Actually, you may do this by simply doing mental computation. So how do we do this? So out of 8, if I am going to divide it by 3, you will be asked how many 3 out of 8. So how many 3 out of 8? It's like thinking that 8 is a 6 plus 2, because 6 is only the biggest number that is divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3, you'll have 2. And you have a remainder of 2, put it here, and copy the denominator 3. Okay, let's have our second example. For you to understand better the concept in mental computation for this, let's have 19 fifths, or 19 over 5. So how do we transform that into a mixed number? So the question is, in your mind, is how many 5 in 19? So you would think there are 3 5s in 19, and if I take away 3 5s, how many is 3 5s? It's 15. So if I take away 15, remainder would be 4. So 4 over 5. So that's it. Now, finally, we have transformed our improper fraction to its equivalent mixed number. To check if our answer is correct, we must transform this again back to its improper fraction. So let's check our work. Let's do the process. 3 times 2 would be 6, and 6 plus 2 would be 8. And copy the denominator 3. So we have a correct answer. Now for the number 2, 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19 over 5. So we have a correct answer too. Again, try this, pause the video for a while, and then play again the video for you to check your work. Thank you for listening and watching to this video tutorial about changing mixed number to improper fraction and vice versa. You would see the importance of this topic in my next video tutorial, which is about adding and subtracting improper fractions, mixed numbers together with whole numbers. See you in my next video tutorial. Thank you.